All right, we move on to speaking part two, and the topic is describe a difficult decision that you once made. So, please, over to you.
There are so many decisions which I made in my life. One of the challenging decision was to choosing a good degree in to study in bachelor's. So uh, after completing my intermediate, I choose law, bachelor's of law, to study in bachelor's 4-year programs, 3-year program in UK. After deciding, during deciding this decision or deciding this course, I faced so many challenges with my parents and my elder brother. They are forcing me to do an IT course, and they said that to me the future is IT, not the law. But I disagree with this, completely disagree with this decision, and I made my own decision, which is bachelor's of law. And
Okay, that's fine. Most of the mistakes are related to tenses. The topic is describe a difficult decision you once made. Made is second form of the verb, past tense. So you should have used second form, I face. It should have been
faced.
I faced, right? Then you said during deciding. So it should have been while making this decision. While making this decision. Then you said I disagree. It should have been I disagreed. And the word is law. And then you said which is. It should have been which was. So the most mistakes are related to the use of wrong tense. That is why I advise you, whenever you get the cue card, you should see the tense of the cue card. And then your answer should be in that tense. And the main tense of the cue card is past here. Now let's move on. Why do you think it is difficult to make decisions?
Well, because of there are some circumstances in our life to make a decision, and this is very challenging step to our future, to make a decision about a very uh,
Okay, answer is incomplete, so try to complete your answers and don't move around in circles. Okay, moving around in circle means you talk about same thing again and again and again. Try to express yourself, change the ideas, elaborate the points, then it will be better, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.